Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to look at how to make money online in 2019, and this is part 2 because we did part 1 yesterday, and if you missed that, don't worry, I'll drop a link below for you and you can go ahead and check that out. Now in today's video, this is really simple, it's really easy, you don't need any skills, it's available in most countries worldwide and it's absolutely free to get started with, and if you can go ahead and copy and paste, then you can get this set up within the next hour and start making some extra money online working from home. Now, what I'm going to share with you is I'm going to share 4 different products which are found, and like I say, you go on one website, you copy the information over, you go on to the next website, you paste that information, and then it's what I'll do is I'll go through this process with you and I'll show you exactly how to do this step by step. And if you have any questions, then just wait until the end of the video and then comment below, because the first item I'm going to share with you, basically I'm going to show you 4 items. The 4th item I'm going to share with you, it's absolutely insane how much money you can make with this, just purely around the number of people who are looking for this product and looking for this service. And if you do what I share with you in this video, you'll be able to go ahead and provide that service very quickly, and you'll be able to make some good money doing so. Now, before we jump into this video, if you're interested in simple ways to make money online, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll never miss when I upload new videos. Because I try and upload a minimum of 5 different videos a week. And if you're after some free resources to make money online, go over to my blog. I'll drop a link below for you. We've got a members area, and there's lots of free resources in there to make money online. There's ebooks, courses, PDFs, there's Amazon affiliate marketing, there's eBay. There's just lots of different things in there, so I'll drop that below for you. If you're interested, go ahead and have a look at that. So the 2 websites that we're going to look at, the first one is called Etsy.com and the next one is FIVERR.com, and don't worry, again, I'll drop links below for you. So let me go over to the first one here. So this here is Etsy.com. Now Etsy is basically, it's a huge marketplace. It's similar to eBay in some respects. You know that this is the homepage, and you've got all of these different categories on here, and then in here people are selling lots of different products. Now what we're going to do is with this method is we're going to start selling these products on here. Now don't worry, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can go ahead and get these products, and then you have these products shipped to these people over on Etsy. So basically the process is you come over to Etsy, you open up a free account, you then start putting up listings, so similar to this listing here and the other ones I'm going to share with you. When somebody buys your product on Etsy, you're then going to go over to the second website I'm going to share with you. You're going to place your order on there and send it to your buyer on Etsy. It's basic drop shipping or product arbitrage. It's really simple, it's really easy, and I'm going to, like I say, I'll jump in and now and I'll show you some of these different products that I've found, and it only took me about 20 minutes to go ahead and find these 4 products I'm sharing with you today. So this is the first one here. This is a personalised Hogwarts letter. So you can see here, currently 210 people a month are searching for this product here. And you can see this is the price of it. So we've got one here at £20. We've got another one here at £16.58. If I scroll this down, we've got one here at £11. We've then got one here at £20. So these are basically personalised letters to do with this Harry Potter Hogwarts letter. So the website we're using to find these products is this one over here, and it's called FIVERR.com. So you can see on here, to come into this section here, this collectibles, I've just come into Fiverr, gone onto the fun and lifestyle category, and then scrolled down to collectibles, and this is just on page 1. So you can see here, I will create a personalised Hogwarts acceptance letter, and you can see this here is starting at £4.15. Now, if you was to go ahead and get this at £4.15 and then put it over onto Etsy, you can see the sort of markup that you're going to be making between getting it over on Fiverr, listing it on Etsy, and then going ahead and selling it on Etsy. Now, there are some small fees on Etsy. Whenever you sell a product, they will take a commission, and it'll depend on how much that product sells for of how much commission you will pay. But either way, you're going to go ahead and make some really simple money from doing this. So how this works is, we've got, say he was going to go ahead and list this one here, so this Hogwarts acceptance personalized letter. So you'd come over to Fiverr, this would be the gig that you're buying, so you'd click on here and go into here, and then this will give you all the information about this this product here. So once you've got the information from here, so you simply go into the listing on Fiverr. Once you've got all the information on here and you've got some pictures on here, you'd go over to Etsy and you would start creating and putting up this listing over on Etsy. Now you wouldn't want to copy this word for word, you'd want to go ahead and mix it up and make it your own sort of thing. Now you can see here, this is the picture of the actual product that you're going to be getting, so you could absolutely use this picture. You can see here, this here, it's $5 or so, and it gets delivered in 1 day. So it's 1 day delivery with ultimate revisions. This is the basic package that you're offering. They've then got here what's called a standard package. So if you click on here again, it'll show you exactly what you get for the standard. And if you click on premium, it will show you also what you're going to get with premium. But for this one here, you could just go with the basic packet. You could offer these upsells over on Etsy, but you could start with this one at £4.15, and to try and try and undercut the market to a degree, you could put this up at £12 or £13 or anywhere below these ones on here basically. And you can see here, if you're buying it for this amount of money here at £4.15, and then you're going ahead and selling it at these sort of prices here, you're going to be making 3 or 4 times your money from doing so. And the great thing is, you're never having to lay out any money, because what happens is you put the listing up on Etsy, somebody buys it, so you get the money from your buy on Etsy. You then take that money, you go over to Fiverr, you buy the product on Fiverr, and you have them ship it to your buyer over on Etsy. It's a really simple process. So this is the first one that I found this morning. This was this one here, this personalized Hogwarts letter. So let me get rid of that one and get rid of that one, and I'll show you the next one I found. So the next one I found here is it's pencil sketches. Now we looked at pencil sketches probably about 6 months ago about how you could go ahead and find these products on Etsy. But what you need to remember is the market's always changing. There's people coming on Etsy, there's people dropping off Etsy, and the same with Fiverr. So what I'm showing you today, this may change in a month's time, it may have changed in a couple of months' time. But this here again, this is on Etsy, this is pencil sketches. Now you can see here, this is all about here. These are people who will draw a photo, draw an image here from a photo that's provided to them, and you can see the sorts of prices that they're charging. This one here is nearly £40. This one's over £40. You've then got one here at £25. So someone provides an image, and then the person here will go ahead and sketch this here in pencil. So you've got all of these different ones on here. You can see the prices here. They're ranging it seems to be, looking at the prices on here, it's around the £25 mark really. I mean, you've got some more going over it, like this one at 41 and this one at 39, but predominantly they're around this £24.95 mark. Now if we go over to Fiverr, we'll look at this here. Now again on here, all I've done in this category here on Fiverr is I've just come over to the right hand side category and just gone down into arts and crafts. If you don't want to mess about and go through all of your categories, you can simply just use the search bar on Fiverr and just type in Fiverr pencil sketches, and then this will bring up any seller who is selling pencil sketches for you. So you can see here on Fiverr, so let's just scroll down, we'll find a couple of these that I'll show you as an example, and then these again, these are exactly the same. You grab the information from Fiverr, go over to Etsy, list it on Etsy, and then just repeat the process really. So if you scroll down here, let's go past all of these down here, see if we can find one. I'm sure I found a couple of these today. Not that one, that's too expensive. Keep going down here. So here's one here. Oh, where's he gone? He's gone. Let's just scroll back up the page a little bit here for you. So this one here, I will draw a pencil sketch from your photo. This one here is starting at £8.31. Scroll down the page here, we've got another one over here, a pencil sketch starting from £12. Keep scrolling down the page further, we've got another one here, I will create, draw and illustrate a picture from your photo. This one's starting at £4.15. Come down the page again, we've got another one over here starting at £4.15. Now look, this is only currently on page 1. You can see there's over 10 different pages of sellers over on Fiverr, but you've got more options on here. You've got one at £4 here, you've got another one over here at £4. If you scroll the page up a little bit, you've then got someone else selling it at, where's it gone? This one here at £8.31 and this one at £12. So again, go back over to Etsy. You can see these are the prices that they're charging for on Etsy, £24.95. You've got some Well, you got some other ones here at £20 and one over here at £30. But again, this is another simple service that you can offer on Etsy by grabbing the information over on Fiverr. So that one was pencil sketches. So let me just get rid of these two. Got two more to share with you. And like I said, the last one is just insane because there's just so many people looking for this last one. The next one I'm going to share with you is this one here. Now you can see here, this is Draw Your Pet. So this is custom pet portraits. And again, you can see the sorts of prices that they're selling for on here. Go over onto Fiverr. And again, all of these ones on Fiverr, you have people selling them at different prices. But again, look, you've got another one here. I'll Draw Your Pet, £4.15. We've got another one here, £4.15. Another one here, another one here. Scroll down, you'll just find so many of these people selling these. Another one here at £4.15, another one at £4.15. Now you may think, or may wonder, why some of these are on Fiverr at £4 and they're going up to £8 and they're going up to £20. So you see here where it says level 2 seller. This person has been selling on Fiverr for a while, and then in order to go to become a level 2 seller, you have to have sold so many gigs or services on Fiverr, and you have to have certain feedback before you can start going up the rankings. So what happens on Fiverr, and it's the same on any platform like eBay, Amazon, anywhere like that, what happens is people are coming on here, and in order for them to go ahead and start getting their rankings up, they will offer their services relatively cheap. That's why you see all of these people offering them at £4.15. And then once these people move up the ranks, and once this person goes to a level 2 seller, it's very likely that they will up this price here over to something similar to here. And then again, as they go up and they become a level 3 seller or a level 4, then the prices will start to go up. But you'll always find people who are new on the platform who are offering a similar service, and you can go ahead and find their products on here very, very cheap. So that is just another one. But again, you can see if you're getting these products over here at £4.15, you're going over onto Etsy. If you undercut this market on here, you're going to go ahead and make some decent money from offering these pet portraits. There's a huge demand for pet portraits. You just need to go around and have a look in the different categories. So let me get rid of that one and get rid of that one. Now the last one I'm going to share with you is, click on here, let me bring this up for you. This is YouTube banners. Now, the sheer number of people who are searching for these YouTube banners on Etsy, you can see here, there's over 90,000 people a month searching for YouTube banners. And in terms of the prices, let's go back up. Let me get rid of this. I understand. Look at this one here. This one here, £20. This one here, £24. If I scroll the page down here, you've got, scroll this one back up here, you've got another one here, YouTube banner, £20. You've got a YouTube custom banner at £20. You've got another one down here at £12. And there's just so many of these YouTube banner packages available on here that you could offer. But you can see the prices that they're starting for on here, and you've guessed it, go over onto Fiverr, and again you're going to get these very, very cheap. So scroll down the page here, let's go ahead and find someone who's, so here's one. I'll design an outstanding YouTube banner, £4.15, and then scroll down the page again. I'm certain you'll find another one. Here's another one. I'll design a professional YouTube banner and logo for £4.15. So go back over to Etsy. You can see YouTube banner and avatar. This is £20. So again, it's just a really simple way to go ahead and make some extra money online. It's absolutely free to get started with this. As you've seen, you do not need any special skills. If you can copy and paste from one site to this site, then you're absolutely good to go with this. All this will take on your behalf is a little bit of time and a little bit of effort setting all this up. And once you've got all this set up, and the more listings that you've got over on Etsy, the more chance you've got to earn some extra money working from home. So that is today's video. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them below. Thanks very much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.